Welcome, everyone. Good morning. We're so pleased that you're joining us here today for our MIT Health Science Forum on the topic of speed and foresight in drug discovery, accelerating and de-risking innovation in healthcare. And I think you're going to hear about a lot of exciting technologies today, but also not just the what, but the how and the who, how we can work together. There's in this crowd representatives from MIT, of course, but also corporations from around the world leading in the pharmaceutical areas and neighboring industries. So I think a really wonderful combination of people and to network with, as well as startups and students and those from the Broad and other of our neighboring institutes. So welcome. I'd just like to say a few remarks before handing it off to our first speaker. Firstly, this is an intimate event. You can see we've got a full house, but I'd really encourage you to participate, ask questions. We're going to have a panel where there's going to be time for discussion, and we'd like to hear from you. So please don't be shy. And I thought I'd set a little of the context, so by sharing some of the remarks from some of our leaders in this area that we call Kendall Square and the greater Boston healthcare ecosystem. So MIT President Sally Kornbluth made the comment that her mission was to make sure Kendall Square becomes an infinitely self-renewing source of biomedical progress, a limitless creative pool perpetually refreshed by a stream of new ideas from every corner of life science and engineering to unlock solutions to the most important problems of our time. So this is a big challenge, to be limitlessly creative, perpetually refreshed, but we're all of us seeing that there's a great deal of transformation throughout drug development, whether it's in target identification, screening, preclinical, clinical trials, and these are due to developments in high-throughput screening, in automation, in advanced imaging, in cutting-edge new approaches for using artificial intelligence and machine learning, and model organoid technologies, among others. These are the ones we will focus on for our event today. And our focus is on how these tools can be employed to accelerate and improve, de-risk the drug development process. But alongside of this, we want to talk about this important topic of how. So recently, you may be aware that the Reagan Institute opened a new facility, and there were some remarks by Mass General CEO Ann Kablansky that I'd like to share exactly on this topic. So they're just, I think, so well phrased. So she said, cross-disciplinary collaboration is a hallmark. It's really how you do transformational research and breakthrough science at scale. Everyone talks about this, but few actually achieve it. Partnerships between healthcare and academia accelerate these breakthroughs and foster innovation. That is the model of scientific discovery this whole area represents, that Boston and Massachusetts represent. So we'll be addressing this important topic also today, alongside all of these exciting technologies.